welcome and thanks for joining my channel. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing video of this Vitamix blender model A3500 series. Let's have a close-up look at the box. This Vitamix blender is the Ferrari or Lamborghini of blenders. This A3500 Ascent Series is touch interface, has 5 program settings, has a programmable timer, variable speed control and pulse, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. This blender, you're able to make smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads. It even has a self-cleaning option. This blender comes in different colors such as white, red, brushed stainless steel, and 2 different types of black, I believe. This Vitamix is built to last, has laser cut blades, metal drive shaft. Your adventure awaits. Thank you sheet. Nice beautiful clear blender. Push stick. A big recipe book with the manuals. And now the beautiful blender itself. Give you guys a better look. This is the brushed stainless steel, made in USA. Cost about $600 American or $800 Canadian. This feels like it weighs about 25 pounds. The entire top piece is made out of rubber, water resistance. The base mounts is rubber, and if you need extra cable length, you can just unwrap it and it extends out. Now I will show you the blender. This blender is made very beautifully. High premium plastic. The top part can be opened just like that for the push stick. Now this is the inside of the blender. Very nice looking sharp blade. Has your cups and ounces, and this side has in liters and milliliters. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.